Today, we're ditching the pre-builts and diving headfirst into building your own personalized Ubuntu PC. First things first, hardware selection. Consider your needs. Are you gaming, video editing, or just browsing the web? This will determine essential choices like the CPU, GPU, amount of RAM, and storage drive. Don't forget the power supply and, of course, the case. Research compatibility to ensure parts work together. Check websites for reviews and look for deals. Let's begin assembling. First, install your CPU onto the motherboard. This can usually be done by following the simple instructions on your motherboard's manual. Next, add RAM sticks. Generally, they snap right into designated slots. Then, mount the motherboard inside the computer case and add your graphics card, especially if it's separate. Connect the power supply unit according to its manual, which is the next step. Now for storage, connect your SSD or hard drives, data cables, and power cable. After this, connect all front panel cables. These include the power button, the reset button, USB ports, and audio jacks. Next, it is time to install Ubuntu. Download the Ubuntu ISO file from their official website. Create a bootable USB drive. Using a tool you can download. Plug the USB into your newly built machine and boot from USB in your BIOS settings. Follow on screen instructions to format your drive if needed. Then select your desired language, time zone, and keyboard layout. When the installation completes, your new Ubuntu PC will be up and running. Customization is where the fun begins. Install applications, change themes, and make it your own, turning this base model into your customized machine.